Running with God, I just leveled up. They won't speak to my face, got that in the door. They been putting me on like I'm one of those. I can see what they hate, that just ain't me. Tell me a place that I can't go.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming to this video. So in today's video, I basically wanted to do my nails with this kit that I got from Shein. So the first thing it comes with is a sun mini lamp, and let me tell y'all, I have a video up using this lamp before, and this lamp is amazing. My last one broke, but that was my fault. But it is so amazing. Like, it freezes your nails in literally a second. Like, I love it. It's like the best lamp I've ever used. The next item that I got was this drill. This drill goes from 3,000 to 20,000 RPMs. Yeah, I don't know if that's true, but that's what the box and the instructions said. So then when you open it, this is the drill, and it's this nice hot pink color. It came with, the standard drill bits, and in this video I'm just going to be using those drill bits in the drill. Also, it came with like a lot of different tools. It came with two 180 grit files, and then a buffer, and then it comes with some of those little stripe decals. It came with like some foot dividers, and then I was excited for this. It came with a lot of brushes. I don't have any like art brushes, so I was super excited. And then it came with different dotting tools. It also came with some type of like nail buffer, like with the shine, polish, all that type of thing. And then it came with a like cuticle scraper and something else. I don't know what it is, but I used it for a cuticle pusher. All right, the first thing I'm using is this little tool. I didn't know what it was for, but I used it to push back my cuticles. I wanted to just use everything in the kit. So yeah, if you have a cuticle pusher, use your cuticle pusher. But I'm using this, and it works pretty well because really you can use the drill bits to also help you remove cuticle. All right, y'all, so I went in to use the drill to start on my cuticles, but I could not figure out how to do the drill. It was so difficult and hard, and there were no instructions, so I kind of just had to figure it out myself. All right, so I was able to finally get it on correctly. So I just started to prep my nails, go around the cuticle, and it worked very well. It was getting up all the dead skin, so that is a plus. As far as assembling the drill, I believe that you need to unscrew the top part and insert the drill bit and press the button on the front of it. I don't know, you'll just have to really play around with it. It's really hard to understand because it's just one of those things where you're doing it, but you don't really know what you're doing, but you're doing it. So you know what I'm saying? I did it, but I don't know what I did. But next time I do it, I'm gonna just do that again a couple times, maybe get it wrong. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah. But as far as the drill getting up the dead skin, it was working well. It was a little bit shaky, but I think that's because I didn't have the drill all the way in. But I was able to really remove a lot of my dead skin on my nails. All right, so the next thing I'm doing is taking the little cuticle nipper that came in the kit and basically getting up all of that chunky dead skin that the drill couldn't remove, and you basically just kind of just smooth it over your cuticle, but you don't want to nip yourself, of course. But yeah, just be super gentle. And yeah, my cuticles actually have gotten cleaner than I've ever cleaned them before. But yeah, next in I went in with the 180 grit file, and I just filed my nails down. I'm going in with the drill, and I'm using the less grittier sanding band that came inside of the bit kit. And yeah, I was just trying to play around with the settings and the speed. I noticed that it only went backwards. So I had to figure out a way for me to use it. So I was just going in the way that it was going. So I put on my nail tips and did a clear layer of Polygel. And now I'm just starting on my nails. So they didn't have a brush big enough for me to actually pat my Polygel. So I'm just using one of my own brushes. But yeah. So for the middle nail, I originally wanted to do an all white nail, but I decided that instead of doing all white, that I would do marble. So I grabbed the small dotting tool out of the kit, and I just kind of put lines, and I'm not going to like use like any clear Polygel. I just basically used the clear nail tip to help be a guide, since I had already filled it with white. So yeah, then I just took my brush and patted over it, kind of to just make it blend seamlessly a little bit. So then for the pinky thumb, I said the pinky thumb. For the thumb, I just wanted to do an all just one colored nail. I had already made that up in my mind, so I just put the Polygel down and started sculpting that nail. So I really decided to just go ahead and just do all of my nails pink and then go from there. So I ended up doing all pink nails and then doing some white ombre nails. So far, the lamp is doing very well. Like I knew it was. Like I literally love that lamp. Like yes, I would do full sets with that mini lamp all the time. It's my standard lamp. Now I'm just encapsulating my ombre nails and my marble nail. Now that my nails are all done, I'm just taking a alcohol wipe and getting off all of that film, because Polygel tends to leave a film on your nails. Now I'm going in with the 180 grit file, and I'm using really mostly the 100 side. It is the sharpest, but yeah, I'm just filing my nails, and then I'm going to go on with the drill. Me personally, I like to just file my nails, get a clean, nice shape going, and then I like to use my drill. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Also, I give these files a 10 out of 10 because they're amazing. Very good files. Okay, so this is when I started having problems with the drill. It works well to smooth out your cuticle. I would say if you just needed to, I wouldn't say make a big giant mess. So don't make your nails super bulky. I did have a super bulky nail. I was able to use it, but it kind of kept like stopping. If you put too much force on it, it will stop while I'm filing and stuff like that. But it did get the job done. I will admit that. I would give this drill about a 5. If you needed a drill for yourself, I wouldn't say do 5 clients. You can't just be doing multiple clients with this. This is like a self drill. If you just need it for drills down or something, or you just needed to do a set real quick, but make sure you apply your nails very well so you won't have to do too much work with this drill, because it's not for heavy duty hardworking nails. No. So I did have a super bulky nail. It helped to get it down. You just need to keep going over. It's going to stop on you. You're going to have to reset it, turn it off. But yeah, and then after that, I just really tried to work on my cuticle areas, but the drill ended up stopping on me twice, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna just go in with the hand file, and then the hand file can also do the same job. So I tried to remove as much bulk as possible with the drill, and then I just went in with the hand file. So I decided that I wanted to draw some hearts on my nails. So I got this hot red gel polish, and then I took one of the skinny brushes out of the tool set and started sculpting my nail started sculpting the heart. I ended up changing the marble nail, the middle finger, to smaller hearts because I didn't really like the big heart right there. But the brushes work very nice, and yeah, cool brushes. I'm applying my top coat to all my nails, and y'all, that was my first time hand painting. It was kind of difficult, not gonna lie, but they came out really nice. And yeah, next I've decided to put some rhinestones on my nails. So I'm gonna take some builder gel and basically place it where I want my rhinestones. Alright, here is the finished look. These nails are so gorgeous. The drill did its job. The tools did their job. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.